Good morning, students. These days we are doing model test paper, and in the model test paper solution we are doing these days, and section A, that is reading section B, that is writing, and section C, that is grammar section we have done by now. Today we are going to discuss the section D, that is literature part of our model test paper. It is our section D today. And in section D, you know very well that there are three types of questions. First is your scene passage, second one scene poem, and the third is question answers from the chapters. So let us see the first question, that is your scene passage. A passage is there on the top. You have to read the passage carefully and then you have to answer the questions that are given below. Okay, now let us read the passage. On 13 May 1949, Kurien landed in Anand. However, he couldn't find suitable accommodation in Anand and had to settle for the garage of the dairy. It was a dilapidated small room and Kurien repaired it on his own. He made windows in the walls and a bathroom with iron sheets. In Anand, Kurien found that a clever businessman, Pastanji. So, this is the passage. On the basis of the reading of this passage, we have to answer the following questions that are: number 1. Name the chapter of this extract. You have to name the chapter from which this extract has been taken, and it is very much right. Yes, the name of the chapter is The Milkman of India. Second question, you have to name the writer, and the writer is Dr. Varghese Kurien. Then the third one, when did Kurien land in Anand? You have to tell the date. That is given here. That is on 13 May 1949. The answer is 13th May 1949. Then where did he settle his garage? Where did he settle his garage? Now see, he had to settle for the garage of the dairy. He had to settle for the garage of the dairy. Then the next question is, how did he make a bathroom? How did he make a bathroom? He made a bathroom with iron sheets. It is the last line of the passage. See, a bathroom with iron sheets. A bathroom with iron sheets. So this is the answer. Now see, it is the next question, and that is your poem. A scene poem is there. It is very much from your syllabus, and there are 5 questions on the basis of this poem, or the stanza you can say. Colonel Fazekar Butterworth toast. Bought an old castle complete with a ghost, but someone or the other forgot to declare to Colonel Fazek that the spectra was there. So, this is your scene poem, and let us see the question number 1. Number 1. Name the poem of the stanza, and it is very much given on the top. Colonel Fazekar Butterworth toast. This is the name of the poem. Then it is the second question. What is the name of the poet? So you have to find out, you have to read the poem, and then you will come to know the name of the poet is Charles Kingsley. Then the third one question is, what did the colonel buy? What was purchased by the colonel? It was an old castle. Then what is the rhyme scheme of the poem? Let us see. Last 4 words. Toast, ghost, declare, there. Toast, ghost has the same sound. Similarly, declare and there, they both have the same sound. So it is A, B, B. A, B, B. Now, last question now. Who lived in the castle? A ghost, or you can say a spectra used to live in the castle. So these are the 2 questions, your scene poem and your scene passage. Now the third one, that is answer the following questions. The questions are given and you have to answer them. First question, why were the people of Hamelin worried? What was the reason? The people of Hamelin were worried due to the rats. What does the poet advise Willie to do? The poet advised Willie to keep his promise always. The poet advised Willie to keep his promise always. What were Antonio and the king of Naples guilty of? They were guilty of robbing the king or the Duke of Milan. Then, how did Ariel lead to the prince to Prospero? And Ariel lead the prince to Prospero by singing a song. Then the next question, what would flatterer say if one is wasteful? They will call him the king, that you are the king because you have a lot of money to spend on we people. Describe Mr. Kyothi. Mr. Kyothi was a very simple man and he wanted to be a knight, and he was very much anxious, you can say, very much excited, and he wanted to be bestowed. Then Mr. Kyothi pulled off his armor but not his helmet. Why? Because the helmet was very much tight. It was tied tightly. Therefore, he was not able to pull the helmet. So these are the 7 questions and the 2 passage and one passage and 1 poem. So you all will solve these 3 things in your notebook. Section A, B, and C you have already done, and today you solve the section D. In this way your MTP will be completed. So bye students. Have a nice day. Complete your work.